Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand, this Proctor chillers. And let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's length about like a 29.5 inches wide and 29.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 61.25 inches tall. And as we can see, the unit is made by all stainless steels. And we can see they have a switch at the front and the controllers. At the bottoms, they have a big coil systems with a compressor mount at the bottom too. And when we're looking at the side of the units, we can see they have a name of brands and using the 220 powers, and they do having the single phase connections, have the ETL sanitation stickers on side too. And when we open this one, we can see they do have a two big circling fan at the behind and the 4 trees inner side. For each of the tree, the heights they are adjustable. Dimensions of it about like a 16 inches deep, 23.5 inches wide. For the clearance entries overall heights, they are about like a 33 inches tall. And when we're looking at the behind of the units, the manufacturer offered the plugs and they give you the commercial 220 power connections. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.